Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Vernon with Craw Lander. Got a special guest with us today. I don't know where he went.
Back here.
He's a regular on our channel quite a bit. Johnny from Johnny's Offroad Adventures. Today we have a very special project Johnny is helping me with. We are installing new lights on the 22 Eco Diesel. We are installing a metric crap ton of Diode Dynamic Lights. Today's video, we're definitely partnering with Diode Dynamics. They're sponsoring this video. As we are changing all of our lights over to the Diode Dynamics, we're doing SS5 ambers on the bumper. We're doing SS5 cross-linkable light bar across the top of the windshield. We're doing SS3s for ditch lights, and we're doing the SS2s in the rear as a rear chase light, along with eight of their RGB rock lights with their magnetic mounts. So we do have a lot of work of lights to install today. We'll finally get all those lights I've been wanting forever to catch up with Johnny and lumens here. Johnny also runs Diode Dynamic Lights. He's had his on for a while. I've been pretty impressed with how they work, function, look, and their light output. As many of you know, I run Baja previously to this. No complaints about my Bajas. However, after seeing the light output of the diodes, how they're built, they're assembled in St. Louis, Missouri at their factory, where a lot of the parts are actually manufactured as well. They have a 3-year warranty and whatnot. So I really like everything that Diode's doing here. So if you're interested in getting some Diode Dynamic Lights of your own, there'll be a link in the description below. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and start unboxing these Diode Dynamic Lights. These are the SS5s. These are going on my light bar and the front bumper. The light bars are all white, clear light, and the bumper we're using the ambers. So let's go ahead and unbox and see what kind of packaging and how everything looks inside the box. So just your regular, just your regular box, no big deal, except I'm semi-handy capable. All right, so it comes packed with, looks like some diode stickers. The light is very well packed into, so it doesn't move around during shipping. Pull it out. They've got it covered well with plastic, so it avoids any damage, scratches, or anything. So once we take them out of the plastic bag, they're very well made. Feels very sturdy, very heft, you know, like they're not cheap Chinese Amazon lights. In the bottom of the box, we have, it looks like the mounting brackets, instructions. Let's go ahead and open up the bag here. Well, we do have instructions on how to mount the brackets. We have the mounting hardware, the Deutsch connector, and then the mounting bracket itself, also wrapped up, very nice to make sure the powder coating doesn't get scratched or damaged during shipping. So all in all, they're very well packaged. I wouldn't worry about getting them having any damage or anything during the shipping process or transporting them around to wherever you're doing your install.